Got to be much faster than that. Next AoE coming soon. Get out of LOS.
Purple. What the hell?
Alright, taking that for the guild bank.
Oh, it's not boots.
It's not boots.
Disenchanted.
Does indestructible mean it gets no durability damage?
Yeah. Yep, there's no durability on it.
Reloading.
And looks like we're actually going to get another melee in as well. One of Celia's friends, a Fury Warrior, is available.
Nice.
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 Oh, that reminds me. Where
More
are
stuff
you,
to
Az?
heal.
Me? What's...
I'd go grab a glass of water meanwhile.
Right, in the meantime, get your food buffs, guys. One thing that has changed since we last came here is that there's been some hot fixes to this fight, and the health of all the mobs have been nerfed by 15%. All mobs except the security guards, slag elementals, and primal elementalists.
Nice.
Yeah, so that should help quite a bit.
You mean since Sunday?
Since Sunday, the hotfix went live yesterday.
Nice.
Yeah, so hopefully it's actually active in the EU. We'll find out in a moment. They should be indeed quicker phases, Belt. And if it works out, we should be able to push into phase 2 with only 2 bellows operators.
Yeah, we'll know in the first couple of pulls how we're doing there.
Yeah. By the way, Celia, you've got assists, so feel free to... Yeah, there we go. And
Hello?
Yes.
hey,
yeah.
Celia.
I'm sorry, I'm
Hiya.
late. totally forgot about time. Let me just give the vent information to him.
Yep, it's alright. I'm already about to spam it.
Oh, thank you.
Way ahead of you.
Zel, where do you want the warrior? In our team or in Daz's team?
Probably best to be in Daz's team.
Sure.
And,
We are waiting for NSYNC for our team.
yeah, and Shilly as well. Should be coming soon, but Holo should be fine in Group 2 for now. Sorry, the Blust group for now. Let me put down world markers. And if you could share the other one for the debuffs that you have to run away from Apo.
Which one's that? Rupture or
Actually, one sec.
or the what's this face? The other one.
It's alright, I can do it.
There you go.
There.
Yeah, there you go. Right, did Holo get a summon?
I did, but I just need to go and grab some flasks.
Okay. Alright, while you're sorting that out, everyone come inside the room, and I'll just quickly talk about the fight. Holo, you'll be going to the right side, and your DPS priority will be Bellows Operators, Feldspar, and then security
I missed
guards.
that. Which one are my DPS priorities?
Bellows Operators, Feldspar, everything else.
Okay.
And then, phase 2, when the transition happens, let's try and kill as much as we can before the first slag elementals appear. Remember, if you get Rupture on you, run out of the raid. If you get volatile fire on you, make sure you're 8 yards apart from everybody else. When phase 3 happens, we'll all group, we'll move to the left side of a room and aim to group up near the purple world marker. Everyone can group with Apo, who's marked with a nipple. And if you get the melt on you, run out of a raid, drop it far away, towards the back of the room, and then get back to the main part. Not much to say. Let's start. Check your flasks.
What food are we using?
We've used a feast for this first couple of pulls just to get into the groove of things, and then we'll switch to the 125 food.
I forgot to pick up flasks when I opened the guild bank earlier, and mine's on CD, so could someone put one down, please?
Trade me.
I'll put a Gilban.
If you don't mind putting another feast
Thank you.
down. Cheers.
I'm ready.
Right then, everyone come inside. Celia, you ready?
Mm-hmm.
Awesome. All right, do your thing, Daz.
No, wait! What side
Lo-
am I on?
Triangle.
Triangle.
Left with Zell.
Okay, okay.
So people were ready. So pulling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Alright, get that bellows operator dead. As soon as it's dead, my team go over to the other side. Celia, stay here, kill the furnace engineer. Alright, everyone go over to the other side. Nuke Feldspar a bit.
Beware.
Alright, we're a bit slow on killing stuff.
Destruction.
You got a security guard coming.
Yeah, I'm down.
Alright, let's just wipe it up.
Yep, I'm gonna bother a spell and he can dress us.
Yeah.
Beware.
Right, my side, get that bellows operator down ASAP and then get over to the other side and nuke Feldspar as much as possible. You should have at least a good 15 seconds to nuke him before having to come back.
Destruction. Beware.
And Vorti, hold off on nuking stuff until I've got it all in position, because otherwise it just
res.
goes wild.
We had a rupture on the bellows operator on my side, so make sure you're under the walls with them.
Alright, get your food buffs. Get all the other buffs, Might, Blight, Smite.
Missing crit.
Once you've got your stuff and ready, come inside the room. And just say when you're ready, Celia.
Yeah, I'm ready, sorry.
It's alright, do your thing, Daz.
Pulling in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Destruction.
Get that bellows operator dead. And my team, once that bellows operator's dead, stay here and just kill the furnace engineer.